Thinking about selling, but you're worried about the shifting market? Good news, you still have leverage as a seller. Even as the market changes, sellers who use the right strategies can sell faster and for top dollar. Let's talk about what you can do to your advantage. Hi, I'm James Brinkman, Brink with Homes by Brink at austinrealestate.com. Here are the 5 biggest things sellers can leverage in today's market. First off, low inventory in key areas. While inventory is rising in some markets, many areas still have fewer homes for sale, and that gives sellers a competitive advantage. However, your home must be priced right to spark interest. Price too high, and your home sits. Price just right, you attract multiple offers, which means better terms and a higher selling price for you. Also, try and have your home move-in ready. Today's buyers are being pickier and getting what they want. Most want turnkey homes that are updated, staged, and well-maintained. Even small upgrades like fresh paint and modern fixtures can increase your home's value and give you more leverage in negotiations. On top of that, you want to think about buyer incentives and flex terms to help you stand out from the competition. Maybe offer closing costs or a rate buy down to help with the buyer's affordability. This doesn't mean you have to agree to all the buyer's requests, but it does mean having a good agent on your side to help you through these negotiations. Finally, you want your home to have expert marketing and online presence. Over 90% of buyers start their home search online. High quality photos, video tours, and social media marketing can get your home in front of the right buyers fast. Sellers still have power even in a shifting market, but success comes down to strategy. Connect with me so I can create a plan to get you the best possible price in terms for your most prized possession, your home. James Brinkman with Homes by Brink at austinrealestate.com. And in Austin, when you think real estate, think Brink. I'll see y'all soon.